All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into this video here. Okay, as always, we'll begin with our rules. Okay, I'm gonna read the word problem, then I'm gonna underline, highlight a specific question. A linear function is graphed on the coordinate grid below. Which equation describes this graph? All right, so I'm gonna highlight, underline the question. All right. We already read the entire word problem and the specific question. So X. Now we're going to label. Remember, all right? Remember the slope intercept equation. All right? Y is equal to mx plus b. Okay? So m is equal to the rise over the run, which is the same thing as y over x, and b is equal to the y intercept. Okay? Where the line crosses the y-axis. All right? So where the line crosses the y-axis, that is known as the y-intercept, and the slope m is the rise over the run. So m is equal to the slope. Okay? So let's look at our linear graph here. We have the x-intercept at -3, and then we have the y-intercept at -3. So b is equal to, what do y'all think? Yes, b is equal to -3. B is equal to -3. But if you look at all of our options here, they're all -3. So we can't eliminate anything just yet. So let's look at our slope. So the graph in this case, because we read from right to left, right? So we read from, left to right. So this graph, if we read it from left to right, is going downwards. So we know that our slope, so m is going to be negative because the graph is going downwards from left to right. Okay? So it can't be A because the slope is positive, and it cannot be C because the slope is positive. Okay? So I'm right here. Since the graph is going downwards from left to right, the slope is negative. All right? So because the graph is going downwards from left to right, the slope is going to be negative. So we can eliminate A, we can eliminate C, because these have positive slopes. Now, let's get into our rise over our run, okay? So from this point here to this point here, we go over towards the right. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3. So +3 to the right. And then downwards we go 1, 2, 3. -3 downwards. Okay? So that's a -3, that's a +3. So our slope, m, is equal to -3, because the y value is negative, because it goes downwards negative, and it's going to be positive 3 towards the right. So this is our slope, and this is our y-intercept. So our equation is going to be y is equal to negative x minus 3. Okay? Because negative 3 over 3 is equal to negative 1. And remember, the slope-intercept equation is the slope multiplied by x. If the slope is negative, it's going to be negative x, okay? Because negative 1 times x is negative x, and the y-intercept is negative 3 because the line crosses the y-axis at negative 3. So it's negative x minus 3. It won't be D because the slope is incorrect. The correct answer is B as in boy. All right. I'm going to highlight the specific question, the specific answer that we agree with. Okay. L is incorrect. E is incorrect. L, we labeled the graph. We labeled our answer choices and we eliminated them. We explain our answers and we select the correct answer B. This is accurate. This is not accurate, not accurate, and not accurate. The correct answer, ladies and gentlemen, is B as in boy. Hope this video helps, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you.